contract with Oracle, he can open a service request. He can open a service request. Any customer who has got a valid support contract with Oracle, 9068. Okay. Support contract with Oracle, they will be having access to this particular website. They will be having access to this particular website, and they can open a trouble ticket or support with Oracle, and it is called as service request. Support name service request. Why I am telling all this is like like we are focusing. We are not focusing on only on a theoretical class. We are focusing on something which is everlasting, which is really required for a career. I don't have to tell you all this. I can directly take to the subject, but our main intention is not that. Our main intention is to form a good career for all of you actually. To have a better career, to have a better perspective, you should know all this, because only a working guy will know all this. No new learning or new learners will not be knowing all this. Why I am saying all this is because you should get yourself familiar with this, and inshallah, if you are joining any company at the DBA, you should know all this actually. So this is the support website of Oracle actually. So if I'm facing a problem, I'll go to the tab called as service request, and I will create this. Okay, create the so we have to type all the problems here, problem summary and all this, and we have to type everything. And let's say your bank has, I'm just giving you an example now. Your bank has got an Oracle database software, and the database is crashed. The complete database is down because they are facing a bug in the particular database software which Oracle has given. So do you think the bank can wait for 2-3 days for Oracle to open a service request to Oracle and Oracle to reply and all this? No. It has to be dealt with severity 1, or you can immediate severity, and Oracle has to respond immediately. So Oracle has classified the service request severity into 4 levels. 1, severity levels. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first is very critical. As I told you now, the bank, the complete database is down, and the customer cannot wait for the database to come up after 2 days actually. So he has to open a service request with severity 1. 2 is, like they are facing a problem, but still the business can run. It is a problem of less significance. And 3 is lesser significance than 2. And 4 is very lesser significance than 3. So out of all these 4, the first one is very important. For any severity 1 request, Oracle should reply within half an hour. This is your contract with Oracle. But most of the real times, Oracle has failed. Has failed to do this, and so many times we ended up calling Oracle Dubai or Oracle Kuwait immediately for urgent attention. So once we call up the service department directly, they will immediately raise it, and they will immediately assign an engineer to check it out. So support.oracle.com, like that. Okay, patches. What are the different type of patches that we have? As I told you here, these are all patched versions. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all patch sets actually. In the scenario which I mentioned recently, which is the bank, for the complete database has gone down because of a bug. There is a bug in the database release that Oracle has given. So the customer cannot wait for 2 days or 3 days for Oracle to release a particular patch set. So the patch set is the accumulation of bug fixes. So what Oracle will do is they will replicate the same issue of the customer in their environment, and they will find the fix for the customer problem, okay, and they will send this to a customer as a patch, and this is called as bug fix. Bug fix. It will be a small patch which will resolve a particular problem of the customer. A pack of bug fixes is called as patch sets. A pack of patch sets is called as release. Okay, right? You got it. Can you all see my desktop? Okay, great. Okay, great. So till this point, you should be able to know how the database version, what is the convention of the database versioning, and what is the patches, what is the bug fix, and what is the release, and what is the support website of Oracle named as, okay, and all this, and what are the different certifications available in Oracle, what are the careers available in Oracle, what are the modules that we will be covering inshallah, and what is the DBMS, RDBMS, and ORDBMS. Okay. Okay. Now, all Oracle database software, you can download it from this link, which is go to oracle.com. I'm just telling you the page. Oracle.com. Download database software. Download database software from www.oracle.com. Okay, I'm just going here. You can. Okay, Brother Shakil has asked, please explain once again about patches. Great. Okay, now. Brother Shakil, can you understand this one 10.1? This conventioning, version conventioning, can you understand? Okay, so he is asking only about the patches. I'll proceed with the same example which I gave you last time, which is, let's say a bank is there, and the bank has installed a new database software which is 10.2.01 or 10 to whatever it is. Okay, bank has installed one particular database software. You know, like the bank is hitting a problem in the database software itself, which had caused the database to go down completely. The complete banking database is down. The complete business of the banking business is down. So what the banking customer will do, he will immediately call Oracle, 123 Oracle, and they will open a service request or support with Oracle saying that they are facing 123 problems and they need a resolution from Oracle. They need a resolution from Oracle. So what Oracle will do, they will replicate the same issue that the customer is facing in their lab, and they will find out the problem, and they will release a small fix to the banking customer to fix their problem. They release a small patch to fix the customer's problem. So this is called as bug fix. This bug fix is nothing but a patch which will resolve only one problem of a client. Okay. Okay. Later on, there will be so many clients who will be raising so many problems, and Oracle will accumulate all these bug fixes, and then they will release this as patches. Okay. And later on, Oracle will accumulate all these patches, and they will release as a next release. Right? Brother Shakil, is it clear for you?
Only
Okay. No problem. Just this will be I think I got the confirmation from Brother Shakil saying that it is clear for him. So this is the last topic because I've been told to wind up the session actually. So this is the last topic. So you need to download the database software from www.oracle.com, and this is database. Go to downloads and click database.
hearing வராங்க போர் அடிக்குது. 4 பேர் இருக்காங்க. 10 பேர் வரணும்.
So the database software is open for everyone. Anyone can download the database software and they can work. You can see database software. This is the version which Oracle has given, down to 01, down to 02, like this actually. So what I suggest is go to oracle.com, create your OTN account, which is Oracle Technology. Go to www.oracle.com. Okay, create OTN account with your email ID. Okay, and then go here and accept license agreement, and you can download all the software that you want. It depends upon, see, this topic I will be covering in the next class inshallah, because this is the main point actually, because we need to know what is the difference in running database software in different operating systems. What are the famous operating systems that we have, and how to run all this actually. So this I will be explaining in the next class. So as of now, before you come to the next class, just make sure that you go to oracle.com and create a OTN account. Okay. Create a OTN account before you come to the next class, so that I will be giving a live demo of how to download the software. So you might think like how Oracle is allowing to download me a software directly without asking for any license key or something. Just we can keep this as a secret. I mean, inshallah, I'll tell you in the next class like what is the difference between downloading from here and support website. There are difference in doing that actually. Okay, so I'll be sending you this notepad which I have taken down the notes. So just go through this notepad, and make sure that you get familiar with all the points which have been mentioned in the notepad. Make sure that you get familiar with it. Make sure that you are clear with it. If you have any doubt, we have to get this clarified before we start the next class. Because brothers and sisters, this is very important. If you really serious, I'm telling you, in this day, if you are really serious, inshallah, definitely, inshallah, you will all be having a promising career in Oracle. Because Oracle is very huge and it is worldwide. It is not only in Kuwait, it is everywhere in the world. Wherever you go, if you are strong, you can challenge everyone. And the openings are very much, and that now also we have so many openings, and we cannot praise anyone because of the scarcity of the resources that we have. So just make sure if you are serious, just go through the topics that I mentioned in the notepad. Make yourself that you are familiar with this, and we'll proceed in the next one. Okay. So just make sure that you list all your doubts before coming to the next class. We'll discuss all the doubts, and then we can proceed inshallah. Okay. 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 I can definitely I can give you a data mining in the next class, because I've been